Today's topic for discussion is a description of plant disease symptom, and today's discussion is on a symptom like leaf spot. Leaf spot, it is a type of symptom which is caused by several types of biotic and abiotic factors. Let us see all the details of the leaf spot type of symptom. The mycoflora of the class Deuteromycetes causes leaf spot diseases of herbs, shrubs and trees. The fungi causing leaf spot disease enters the leaf through stomata. The fungal spore germinate on leaf surface in presence of little moisture. Some fungi produce cell wall degrading enzyme cellulase, and that cellulase type of enzyme acts on the cellulotic wall of the cell leaf, and a hole is formed, and through the small space that fungus enters into the leaf. There is great variation in the color, size and shape of the spot produced by infectious fungi. To the right side, spots which are caused by Cercospora in groundnut is shown. Next, the fungi causing leaf spot diseases are numerous. In leaf spot diseases, the host cells are killed in a limited area to form a lesion or spot. The spots are of various size and shape, and it may be zonate spot, target spot, broad or angular spot, or frog eye spot type. There are several types of spots. The tar spots are characteristic type of leaf spots which appear slightly raised, black in color, which appear like a flat drop of tar on the leaves. Flat drop of tar on leaves. Okay. The pathogenic fungi Rhatisma and Phyllocora causes tar spot disease of plants. Alternaria solani produce a spot on leaves of tomato or potato which consist of concentric rings. The leaf spots are developed when the pathogen enters the leaf tissue. The pathogenic fungus absorbs food material from the infected tissue by sending Haustoria into the host cell. The affected region of leaf shows spots of variable shape, size and color. The fungi responsible for leaf spot diseases of various plants are Cercospora, Phyllocora, Phyllosticta. These are the names of fungi which causes leaf spot diseases of various host plants. Septoria, Colitotrichum, Corinospora, Chitotherium, Pseudocercospora, Fusarium, Myrothecium, Dressera, Garularia, Ciliocorella, Pseudodiploidea, Phoma, Dressera, Microspherella, and Septoria. These are there. Besides this, there are many fungal pathogens which causes leaf spot diseases of various plants. Several fungal pathogens, they are host specific in nature. Next, let us see different types of leaf spots. Types of leaf spots. Number 1, russet spot. The leafy vegetable gives off ethylene after harvest, which is a ripening phenomenon. Russet spotting is caused due to production of ethylene in continuation. The spots are of more distinct on upper surface than the lower surface. Russet spots are chocolate colored. Okay. Next type of leaf spot, that is tan spot. Tan spot develops initially as yellow tan flakes on both upper and lower surfaces. The spot increase into lens-shaped tan blotches with yellow borders. A characteristic feature of tan spot is small dark brown center. Example, Pyrenophora trichostoma that causes tan spot on wheat leaf. Next. Another type of leaf spot, that is flowery leaf spot. The lower older leaves show yellow spots which gradually progress upward. In case of severe infection, leaves show yellow mottling, and at maturity, spots become brown. The brown spot encircled with yellow margin. Usually the spots are 2 to 3 mm in diameter. Many spots get coil sac or mixed to form a large patches on the upper surface of the spot. White fluffy growth of the pathogenic fungus and conidiophores can be seen, which gives to the leaf the appearance of having a sprinkled with coarse flour. Hence the disease is named as flowery leaf spot. The infected leaves turn brown and shed off permanently at any stage of its growth. It affects the yield of the crop. Next, another type of leaf spot, that is cavity spot. The spot may be small, spherical, or oval in shape, mostly 1 to 3 mm in diameter. The spot resembles a cavity. The tissue over a large lesion tend to rupture, leaving a ragged fring, and cavity is lined with a mycelial thread of the fungal pathogen. The spot developed during growth of the plant, but the cavity spots remain visible even after harvest of the crop. The soil-borne pathogen Pythium violi infect the carrot and produce cavity spots. Next type of spot, that is frog eye leaf spot. The characteristics of frog eye leaf spot type of symptom is that the infection starts as a small spherical to somewhat irregular lesion on the upper surface of the leaf. The spots are water soaked, which are brown in color and reddish brown, distinct with a distinct margin. At maturity, the center of spot becomes grey colored. Many spots coalesce to form a large blighted areas on the leaf. Drying and defoliation are common symptoms. Such type of symptoms termed as frog eye spots. The frog eye spot disease of soybean is caused by Cercospora sogina, and this is the fungal pathogen, and the pods also possesses such type of spots, frog eye leaf spots on the pods. Next, another type of spot, that is grayish white spot. Grey colored white spots are produced by Cercospora ricinella on castor leaf. The spots are surrounded by deep brown band which may be narrow and diffused. Next, concentric spot. The concentric rings develop in the mature spot that indicate the gradual growth of the respective pathogenic fungus inside the host tissue. The pathogen Phytophthora colocacea causes concentric spots on Castor ricinus communis leaf, and Alternaria solani also causes concentric spots in the on the leaf of potato and tomato. Next type of spot, that is brown eye spot. One of the plant pathologists, that is Sutton and Waller in 1988, reported brown spots on leaves of coffee due to infection of Cercospora coffeecola. Okay. Another type of spot, that is dollar spot. The plant pathologist Thai JN of Taiwan found leaf spots of turf grass caused by Sclerotinia species, and the spots resemble a dollar, hence it is called dollar spot. The affected leaf exhibit white straw-colored lesions that increase gradually. Each spot is surrounded by brown-colored border. Infected leaves become blighted. Next. Another type of spot, that is white spot. The pathogen produces circular white spots all over the host leaf lamina. Mostly the spots are encircled by reddish band. Later on it develops into brown patch. Example, Cylindrocladium causes white spot on clove leaf. Okay, the name of the pathogen is Cylindrocladium quinquenseptatum. It is the name of pathogen that causes white spot on the clove leaf. Okay. Next type of spot, that is oval spot. Harris, name of the pathologist Harris in 2008, he has reported occurrence of oval spots caused by Phyllostricta gingiva on leaves of the ginger at very initial stage of the development of the disease. The fully developed spots are whitish in color, whitish in the center, and have dark brown margin with a yellowish hollow around the spot. Okay, next. Another type of spot, that is ink spot. Jacob, name of the pathologist, that is Jacob in 2009, reported ink spot disease occur on the leaves of aspen, a wood yielding tree. Aspen, it is a wood yielding tree, and initially tan to brown areas appear on the upper leaf surface. The spots consist of concentric discolored ring pattern which is visible. Such spots are described as ink spot. The affected region shows black bodies of fungus which are hard, oval and nearly 1/4 inch long. Such spots are called ink spots. Okay. Next, red spot. One more scientist, Smith, in 2006, Muller Smith in 2006 reported red spot development on the leaf of blackberry due to the infection of Septoria rubi. Another type of spot, that is black leaf spot. The leaflet of rose possesses black colored spots which are encircled with yellow chlorotic halo. The spots are distinct on both the surfaces of leaf. The spots increase in size. In severe cases of disease development, the entire leaf gets involved and fell off. Heavy defoliation affects the flower formation. Even the pedicel and stem possesses black spot of the fungus. During humid weather, the spread of disease takes place very fast. The black leaf spot disease of rose, it is caused by Diplocarpon rosei. It is the name of fungus. Next. Melanose spot, another type of spot, that is melanose spot. Let us see the characteristic feature of melanose spot. The leaf spots caused by Septoria species on black grape are called as melanose spots. At eastern and midwestern United States of America, this spot has been observed. The spots are called melanose. Another type of spot, that is superficial spot. The fungal forms causing powdery mildews of different plants produces superficial growth of the mycelium on the host leaf and all other parts of the plant except root system. At the initial stage of the disease development, small grayish superficial spots are formed on the infected host leaf. The fungal pathogen Erysipellae polygone, it is a fungus that produces superficial spots on infected plant part at initial stage of disease development. Next, another type of spots, that is amorphous leaf spot. Let us see the characteristic features of amorphous leaf spot. One of the plant pathologists, that is Takimoto, in 1919 reported occurrence of amorphous leaf spots on ginseng due to infection of Colitotrichum damasium. Okay, let us see the freckle spot, another type of spot, that is freckle spot. These are brown to black crustaceans with longitudinal cracks on the fruit skin. The fruits start drying and pulp also get discolored. Such type of symptoms occur on banana fingers due to infection of Macrophoma muci. This is the fungal pathogen which causes freckle spots on the banana. Next. Diamond spot, another type of spot, that is diamond spot. On the mature banana fingers, the diamond spots are developed due to infection of Cercospora hai. The spots are yellowish raised areas which measure about 5 mm in diameter. The spot dry up and turn to necrosis. The necrotic spot becomes 1.5 cm in width. Such spots are called as diamond spots which develop during transportation period of banana. Next. One more type of spot, that is target spot. Let us see the characteristic features of target spot type of symptom. In this case, the infected leaf possesses reddish brown circular or irregular spots which are variable in size from teeny dots to 1 cm in diameter. The larger spots develop as target-like concentric rings. The central region of spot consists of dead tissue. Spot is surrounded by yellow halo. Leaves fell off before maturity. Such type of symptoms are termed as target spots. Example, target spot of soybean is caused by Corinospora cassicola. Okay. Next, red spot. It is one more type of spot, that is red spot. The red leaf spots are caused by septoria in a variety of plants. The red spot symptoms consist of lesion with grey center and brown to red colored border. Mostly the spots are spherical, about 2 to 4 mm in the diameter. The spots consist of black dot-like fruiting bodies. The red spots of blackberry are caused by Septoria rubi. It is a pathogenic fungal organism. Okay. Last, that is one more type of spot is sharp eye spot. The symptoms with, in this case, the characteristic features of sharp eye spot type of symptom are the symptoms which consist of lesions which are more distinct and very sharply cutina, very sharp, and those of normal spot. The center of mature spot consists of mycelial threads. Such type of symptoms are caused by Pseudocercosporella herpotrichoides. It is a causal organism in certain grasses. Such spots are observed in certain grasses because of the pathogenic organism. This is all about spots, leaf spots.